Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Glide for app creation. First, sign up for a free account on the Glide website. Then, you can choose to start with a pre-built template or begin from scratch. Glide seamlessly integrates with your existing data, such as Google Sheets, making it simple to bring your information into your new application. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can build a functional app. Now, let's dive into designing your app. Glide offers a wide range of customization options, allowing you to select themes, colors, and fonts that match your brand. You can easily add components such as text, images, and input fields to create dynamic pages. Configure actions for buttons, like submitting a form or navigating to another screen, to make your app truly interactive. You can preview your app in real time on various devices. Next, we'll explore adding powerful functionality and managing your data. Glide supports integration with several data sources beyond Google Sheets, such as Airtable and Excel. You can define user roles and permissions, ensuring that different users see only relevant information. Easily create forms to collect new data directly through your app. Plus, computed columns allow you to perform calculations and transformations on your data without leaving Glide. Finally, it's time to publish and share your amazing app. With Glide, publishing is incredibly straightforward. Your app gets a unique URL in just a few clicks. You have the flexibility to share it privately with a select group of users or make it publicly accessible to anyone. Glide also provides basic analytics to help you understand how your app is being used. Any updates you make are instantly live for all your users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.